All right, boys and girls, so we are going to set up the experiment regarding what paper towel is best, okay? So step one of the scientific method, I have a problem. Every time I pick up spills, I'm using all these paper towels. I want to save my money. So I want to figure out which paper towel is the best. So I did some research and I'm going to be comparing Bounty paper towel to a Walmart name brand called Great Value, and then to a dollar store name brand, okay? So I came up with 3 different variables. Which paper towel holds the most amount of water? Now, if we think about this in our daily life, do we want to use paper towels that are taking in the spill, or do we want to be using 5 paper towels for 1 spill? So if you think about it, you want a paper towel that's going to soak up a lot of that spill or absorb that spill. Therefore, you won't need to use as many paper towels, right? And then you're getting your money's worth. So I want to know what paper towel is going to absorb that liquid more? Was it Bounty, Great Value, or the dollar store? So I'm going to set up a fair experiment, okay? I'm going to be using the same measurement for each paper towel that I already measured and cut 3 rectangles. And then I already measured 4 ounces of water. So I'm keeping everything consistent. The size of the paper towel, the amount of water being 4 ounces. The only variable or independent variable I'm changing is the type of paper towel. Before I do that experiment, I want to make a hypothesis, okay? So after I did some research, I did research that Bounty right now is the most popular paper towel being bought. So it leads me to believe if people are buying it, they love it. It must be they're getting their money's worth. So my hypothesis is I think Bounty will absorb the most amount of water and therefore not make me use a lot of paper towels to clean up a spill. I think that because it's the most popular paper towel currently being bought. That's just my hypothesis. Maybe you think the Walmart brand is, and that's okay. You just need to defend your answer with the reason why. Remember, our hypothesis can be wrong. It's okay, just as long as it's an educated prediction of what you think will happen and why. So after you form that hypothesis, how I'm going to do the experiment first is keep it consistent. Okay, so I got 4 ounces, same amount of paper towel, and then I'm going to let the water or the paper towel soak the water for 1 minute. I need to keep the time consistent, and the only thing I'm changing is that paper towel. So after a minute, I'm going to throw out the paper towel. What's left in the pan is what the paper towel can pick up in the spill. So if that spill, after I measure it, has a lot of water, that's not good. That means we don't like that name brand. We want to have the least amount of water left in the pan. That means the paper towel absorbed a lot of that water, which is good. So after 1 minute, I'm going to throw out the paper towel, and then I'm going to stop and kind of measure and analyze our results, and then I'll get back to you with the correct measurement. So in order, we have Bounty, Walmart, Great Value, and the dollar store. 4 ounces of water already measured, and I'll set my timer, and I'll meet back up with you after I analyze the results and do the measuring. Alrighty. So I'm going to pour 4 ounces, just kind of in the middle. Start my timer for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I will throw out the paper towel and leave the water in the tray. Just to make time go a little quicker, boys and girls, I'm going to add our next Great Value, add water about 30 seconds, and still after 1 minute, empty that tray. So about 30 seconds. Here we go. Gonna pour Great Value. Let it be absorbed by the paper towel. In a minute, I am going to take this paper towel off before I pour that. So here we go. Got to be quick as well. So this paper towel is at a minute. I'm gonna let it soak here and throw out the paper towel. I'll be grabbing this one shortly. Keep everything consistent. So this one's starting at a minute. Great Value is almost done shortly. Then I will throw that paper towel out. Here I go. Got to do the same thing, right? I'm not squeezing, I'm just taking, throwing out. This paper towel, boys and girls, has about 20 seconds left. And then we will look at the water in the tray. That's the spill that was not picked up by the paper towel. I will measure and meet up with you. This one is about ready. Same thing, take it and throw it out.